should be live now. Create a dashboard. We'll disable Copilot for some time. Alright, let's get to work. Let me set this device up. And we have Lottie running. This is fine. After finishing the Lottie animation, I think I have to do one thing. How do I check the progress of Lottie? Observe Lottie progress. How do I do that? I think we should go to our documentation, Lottie Android. All right, I think we can start. Cardiff tinting. Where are you from? I'm from India. Some people say it's India. Some people say it's India. I'm from the south. Where are you from? This where is Lottie Compose Android? How do I see the progress of my Lottie? There you go. You need a state. Copy pasta. Another copy pasta. I'm from Mexico. Cool. So you are into Android stuff, or what do you do for a living? Progress, I think we can see the progress like this. Now I want to show another view once the animation is done. I think we can do one thing. We can have a column in here. I'm an Android. Cool, that's cool. So I hope you are aware about Compose, Kotlin, all those things. Do you work on Compose on a daily work, or we have animation in here? I follow you on Twitter. Very useful post, bro. Thank you. What's your Twitter name? I might know you. So we will show something like finished when the progress is 100. First of all, I want to see what the progress. I think it should be in wait, the progress is in float, so it must be from 0 to 1, I guess. Let's see. Let's run and see what it shows. So our animation starts, then it finished doing a thing, and then we get done. Yeah, I think it's 1. Are you from New Delhi? No. I'm from South Kerala. We need one tag for this component. We can have this, and we can centrally align this for, yeah, that's fine. What I need is a better font size for this, and let's call it 20f. And why you are complaining? Oh, it should be 20sp. Yeah. Now I need one more thing. I need a tag on this thing. This we will use once to verify to assert if the animation is finished or not. So this is going to be tag done. Okay. I'm going to create a constant for this so that I can call this from my test. Hey brother, how would you display 3D maps in Compose, like custom map renders? No idea about that. No idea. I think you can still use. How would you do that in Vue? What do you exactly mean by 3D maps? With Unity? I think you can still write Vue stuff or Canvas stuff in Compose. You can either use the Android Vue, and then that's kind of bridge between your Compose world and Vue world, or I don't know about Unity stuff. For rendering and for 3D stuff, I think you probably better to go with something like Unity or a framework. I think if you start doing it from scratch, I think it will be too much. But in case you want to try 3D stuff with Compose, then you are, it's a different story. But yeah. I'm not into 3D stuff here. I'm not into any kind of rendering. I'm not even into 2D drawing stuff. So I don't know much about that. We have tag done. Now let's run this and just to verify this behavior. Let's run this and see how it goes. Caught tweeting. What should I call you? What's your Twitter handle? I might know you probably. What's minus TK for Lottie for compose? I think that should be. We can check that. What's the minus TK? We can go. Where is the compose source? Which directory we are in? We are in here. I think this is a documentation. Let's go to Lottie Android. What's the minus TK? Bill Gradle should tell us that. Maybe we can do what's the minus TK for Lottie in Android. Did you go to college? Yes, I did. I only did my bachelor's. I did BCA, Bachelor of Computer Application, but you wouldn't learn much in college, I guess. At least in here. The minimum TK version required for Lottie is 16, according to, it's 16. Now, we have done. Now, what are we going to do? We need to go to our benchmark. Well, let's commit this. Finish small Lottie. Now we need to write the benchmark for this. We need to remove few things from here. Vector benchmark I don't need. PNG benchmark I don't need. I think we are good here. Let's change this thing. It should be Lottie type, and this should be passing the Lottie dot name. What is this Lottie? Wait. This should be Lottie type. And we don't need. We need this. We need this. We need to wait for the. We need to wait for the done to. Wait. Let me figure this out first. We need to remove this. This is going to be our small Lottie, and this will be Lottie type dot small. And now we should go in here. Yes. And wait for UL element by test tag. Let's go the test tag way. And the test tag was, what was the test tag we used? It was tag done. Okay, and then I think that's it. That's what we need, I guess. What's the duration of this Lottie? What was the duration of this Lottie? Lottie preview. Is there an easier way to find the duration of a Lottie? I usually go to this preview and check there. Small JSON. I think let's go to where is app, there is source, there is main, there is rest, there is row, there is small JSON. How do I see the duration? How do I see the duration? Find Lottie duration online. How to find Lottie duration? I think I can just print it. To find the duration of Lottie animation, you can adjust the time duration after. I think there is no easier way to do this. We have to. But that, yeah, let's add a 20-second timeout for this, and let's do 10 iteration. Let's do startup time in metric also. Okay. Tag. We don't have to do any tag, do nothing. Not found 20-second. Yes. So what we are doing here is, first we need to rename this. This should be Lottie benchmark. Okay. We have one test right now that is going to launch the activity with the enum called Lottie type small. And if you look here, what we are doing is we are launching the main activity with the Lottie type, and we are waiting for an element called tag done. And if you go in here in main activity, you can see that inside our first screen we have something called tag done, which we display once we finish rendering the Lottie. So we're basically waiting for the Lottie to finish, and then we will get the we'll get the benchmark. Now things are looking good until now. I don't have any compile time issues or anything here. Let's run this and see what happens. Let's see if we can get some numbers from this benchmark. Once we have the benchmark, what we're going to do is we will go to bench chart, then we'll paste this result in here and see what's the difference between V5 and V6, like what's the actual performance difference, if there is any. Okay, looks like it got failed, but why? That looks like an end of file exception, which usually happens with this device. Yeah, all you have to do is just rerun the test and should be fixed. Again failed. Now what's the issue? Same issue. We can rerun this. This is one issue with the, I don't know if it's an issue with the benchmark or my device I'm testing with, but I had this issue with other device also. So I would say it's a framework or some other issue. Now what we need to do is we need to uninstall the app. So we can call adb uninstall, and the app should be uninstalled. What device do you use for testing? I use a Redmi A1. I don't know if that device is available in Mexico, but I use a Redmi A1. It's a very low end device. It's a very slow device, but those devices are good at, when I do benchmarking, I usually test it on low power device. High-end device में you won't, in high-end device you won't find that difference much. Gradle build failed again. Now this is going to be a problem for us, and this error looks different. This is a resource not found exception, string resource ID. Oh wait, what did we do? That's a resource ID exception. I prefer Saudi versus 2 because I can test process death easier. Process death, I think, yeah, you can still, I think in Locket we have a button for that, right? To kill the process. We had a button. I don't know, we had the button somewhere. Kill process. Yeah, preference debugger, I don't know. Right click and end process. Where should I do that? And that option is not there or not, or I don't have the process active. Yeah, wait, let's fix this first, then we can look into that. So Lottie name we have in here, and the error we are getting, we are going to run this again. Yeah, right click and end process, but I don't see that. Is it because I don't have my process running right now? Process ended, process started. Okay, we have thing. Is that a crash or what? Yeah, it looks like a crash. String resource ID not found. Where are we using string resource? Huh? Small row res, it's resource ID. What's the issue with this? Why are we getting that error? Oh wait, we did something super stupid. Did we delete that label? No, it's there. Why are we getting this error then? It's still there. This file should not contain caps, bro. Resource file should not contain caps. Where did I add the caps? We don't have caps anymore. File name is res ID. Which file name you're talking about? Why this not failing for my app like normal run then? So if I run the app normally, I think it works just fine. See, it works fine, right? Why is this even happening? Is this the issue? Shouldn't be, but let's try run this again. I think the issue is should be in the benchmark. Somewhere it must be in here. Lottie type, that's it. Local name, string store action. We have the action. We have tag done. We have everything looks good. Things are looking good. Things are looking I think this comes from the initialization provider. Let's Google this and see what happens. I'm trying to run the project in Android and iOS and I am getting the following error. The error looks slightly different. Not slightly, the error is entirely different, but let's look at the solution. You can fix it by disabling auto-manifestation for all your components and dependencies. Include this snippet in your manifest. What is that? Let's try add this anyway and see if it works or not first. We don't have this startup initializer, right? We don't have any startup stuff in our code. Is this happening because I have the project in here? Let's try that. Let's try do that. No. No. Let's try do that. Okay. Let's hard code everything and see if that's the issue. Okay. Let's try hard code these and see if these can fix the issue. Shouldn't, but let's try. I think the issue is that the device sometimes restart automatically. That's the issue in here. And is this a EOF? This is EOF. This error is different. I think it started running now. Okay, we have the test running. It's done. We have the done keyword. Test should ideally finish by now. Okay, we have error. Couldn't find element with test tag. Okay, now this error I know. It's because I think I removed one important thing from here, which is the test tags as source ID. True. And if I run this, I think I should have reduced the iteration number to something 5 or 3 to see if it's actually working or not first. Okay, we have the first iteration. Lottie plays. Lottie now finish. We have the done label. Yes, that's one iteration. Here we go with the second iteration. Cool. I think we have a working code now. Now I will try to include that. Let's stop this. I have to do one thing. I need to try remove app module dependency. I will commit this. I want to try one thing. What if I include my app as a dependency, app module as a dependency in here? Okay, just need to check if it works or not. Okay. Would that be an issue? No, shouldn't be, but it's running. That was not the issue. But let me refactor this back to our old benchmark code then. So this should be Lottie small, and inside this function thing should be coming from our app module, and this should work just fine. Now let's run this again. Yeah, things are working fine now. Now this will take some time. In the meantime, we will commit this. Use app module for hard-coded REST stuff. It's will be an example. Caught if thinking you're still there. So for you said you use low power device for benchmarking, right? Do you use a macro benchmark framework, or do you have any other tricks or tips you can share, or tools that I can use to benchmark other than the macro benchmark framework? Let's take some notes. We'll take some notes. I don't want to disturb this device. Let's see, put it there. So we have small Lottie benchmark running. I think the total iteration count will be 10, right? What's the iteration? 10. And the time it takes to finish 10 iteration, we will note this down. This time will be helpful us to predict the total time it takes to finish the benchmark. Now this is more like a waiting game. We will run 3. Okay, we have the numbers. The time it took is 2 minutes 36 seconds. Okay, now we will store this number. Okay, so I'm going to use a scratch text. Okay, so this will be before 1, and we will run this again. should take 2 minutes, another 2 minutes 36 seconds. So if you look here, the initial display time is 8:34, 8:48 and 9:11. P50 number is 6281, P9 is 233. Yeah. This is too much. I mean, so 50% of the users took 62 milliseconds to render a frame on average. That's bad. That's not bad when you look at the device spec, but if you talk about frame numbers, it's bad. Now we have the first iteration. Okay, first iteration, then we have the second iteration coming now, and then we will have a third iteration also. Third iteration, third run. So we will in total we will have 30 iterations. We will have to wait 30 seconds more. Okay, we have the second batch. So this will be before 2. Yeah, and then we'll have the third run, which is the final run for this one. If you look at this data, let's see what's in there. So before 2 performed, initial display before 2 performed 3.97 verse 333 ms. Yeah, 3.97. It looks like this time to initial display. Median numbers for before 2 is actually higher, 882, a difference of what? A difference of 33 ms. We have the first batch of data. Let me tweet this. Think we can tweet this posted and reply has been deleted or not visible. Oh, okay. I think the tweet, we had wrong tweet. Okay, now where is our screenshot? Yeah. Ten more seconds and we'll have the third batch. We'll have before 3. And after this we will bump our Lottie version and see how those numbers are looking. So we have, okay, how's this looking? So frame duration is it's fine. It's almost similar for 3 runs. Best worst is before 3. Best we had like before 1 we had like best result. Before 3 looks worse. Yeah, I think we should have done one thing. We should have oh, well, wait, that's fine. We should have created all the tests together and run this together, like that's fine. Now we have the data for v5. Now to see how v5 is going to perform, let's do that. Let's go to our dependency and then not in here. In here we are going to say what's the latest version of Lottie? Lottie compose, what's the latest version? 630. I'm going to comment this because we will need this again. 630, fine. And I hope I don't have to change anything in our benchmark. Yep. Now let's give it a spin first and see if there's an issue. No issues. Build finished in 5 seconds and we have our Lottie running. Good thing. Now let's start the benchmark. This is V6 and let's see what V6 has to say. Meantime, we have some work to do. We have to find a medium Lottie and a large Lottie for the next phase of benchmarking. So Lottie samples how do I get a heavy Lottie? I need a heavy, super heavy Lottie that is like 2 MB, 3 MB in size. How do I get that? By the way, our benchmark is running here. I'll keep this device in here so that it should be visible to you also. What is this? This doesn't look like a heavy Lottie. How do I find a heavy, super heavy Lottie? Pick of the day. Discover animations. Let's see. Let's discover animations. I have 2 viewers. So if there's anyone watching, say hi please. This looks little heavy. Well, let's see. So for what's our wait, let's go out to our yeah, what's our small JSON? Small is around 300 KB. Medium category, I need something around 700 KB. Not 700, I need a 1 MB file. Okay, large, I need something around 5 MB. So that's what I need. So this we already have. Now let's go and find a Lottie with that is around that's around 1 MB. Can I reduce the width of this? No, it's fine. Okay, now this guy looks kinda heavy. What does it say? Save this animation to workspace and download it as an optimized.lottie. That's 89% smaller than save to workspace to download. You can I don't want this to compress or anything. I just need normal Lottie. Save to workspace to download. Okay. Okay, we have the the after numbers are here. Where is our scratch file? Where is our scratch file? Yeah. So this is going to be after 1. Okay, I'm going to spin this again. But just to see the result, let's go in here and see. So compare before 1 and after 1. I don't see any significant difference. The duration and everything looks kind of same. The regression you see 1.5 ms, that's something we can ignore. Before 2, before 3. Duration time, I think it's almost similar, just 1 millisecond difference. I think that is something I can live with. Auto group, I need to group befores and after. Can I do that somehow? Before 1, before 2, before 3, and after 1. If I click if I click auto group, that should group this down and I should get an average. Yes, but where is my animation? Where is my animation? Oh, I just need to download this, bro. I just need to download this. I don't want to edit any of this thing. I think I should have. Okay, 175. This is not heavy. I need a heavy JSON, heavy Lottie. How do I find a heavy JSON? Heavy animation. I'm sure I'm not going to find this, but I think we can rely on these numbers in here. We don't have a heavy Lottie in here. How do I find a heavy Lottie? Which website has super heavy Lottie? I need something like a park. For a park, I think there will be a lot of components that those part things will be heavy, I guess. Yeah, this thingy looks heavy. This also looks kinda heavy with lot of components, but let's see. This is interesting. This is interesting. Okay, I'm saving this to my workspace, but yeah, we have a 603 Lottie. I think we can go for this 604, and we can call this as yeah, we can call this as medium. But we need something even larger. Let's try Twitter to see if somebody can help us with the heavy Lottie. Need some heavy Lottie files. Expecting something around 5 MB. Let's see if somebody can come and help. Okay, we have the second batch. This will be after 2. This is after 1. This is before 3, before 2, before 1. Yeah, we have one last spin for the small Lottie. That's just medium. We need something large. Large Lottie files download sample. I don't know if how do I find the heaviest Lottie? Find some heavy Lottie files for me. Please share the URL. I'm just going to try my luck with Perplexity. Not from it, so it will be foam. What am I typing? Purpose heavy Lottie files. Benchmarking. To find some heavy Lottie files for benchmark, you can visit the Lottie file website, which offers a collection of free animation that you can download and use for various purposes. Here are the also Lottie file website. Loading screen. Loading screen, free benchmark animation. We won't find the thing we are looking for in here, but I'm just going to try this anyway. Like, these are simple. This won't be heavy. I need something super heavy. How do I find? I think I can do one thing. I think I can go to. Wait, I have an idea. Let me get this after 3 and see how the benchmarks are looking. Like how the data is actually looking. Oh, that looks mixed. But there is one interesting thing over here. The time to initial display has improved for, yeah, that I can see. But after in general, I don't see any major improvement for small Lottie files for rendering or anything. P99 looks improved 7%, like 8%. Other percentage regression are around 3, 4, but this is like 2 ms, 3 ms. This should be a false alarm, maybe, not sure. The initial display time has improved. In here we can see 10 ms, 5 we can ignore, like I don't know. Let's do one thing. We have we have this one, which is this is after 3. We can try do one thing. We can remove after remove after 3, and then we can remove the worst before 2, just to check, just to see how's the data looking like. It's the same. After we have like 15, 16 ms. Initial display time has improved, not much, slightly, I guess. Let's do one thing. Let's continue work on our other benchmarks and see what we can come up with. So we can save this data in here. This is small Lottie. This is going to be a test run. Small Lottie test run. Hey Arun, you are here. How was your day, man? It's Friday. And how was your day? What's your weekend plan? Oh, by the way, we have the small Lottie data with V5 and V6, and this is how it looks. I think I can do one thing here. I can say replace before with V5, and this is going to be tricky. Then after with V6, and if I give this data to Mr. Benchart, yeah, it works. So V6 performed 1% better. Good, nothing much. What about you? You are at Bangalore? No, I'm in Kerala. I'm hometown. So V6 performed well in the initial display, and the frame duration, we see some kind of, I don't know if we can call this a regression. It's just 4 ms, 2 ms. This could be false alarm as well. And we see P99 number got improved by 8%. That's good. Not great, but good. But if you look at the graph, I think it's visible, right? The frame duration time, this thing looks slightly degraded. rendering looks slightly degraded. For all the runs I can see that. Can we check 3.71 versus latest 6 later if possible? Yeah, we can do it right away. We can. Currently we have the v6 v3. We just have to reduce this version to which one you want to do? 3.7.1, right? Let's go that. I don't know if we have to change, like, wait, did we have like compose support for 3.71? Do we have compose support? No, right? I don't think so. Yeah, then we won't be able to benchmark that. Currently we are benchmarking the compose Lottie, right? 400, then 4. I don't also think 40. Wait, let's check in which version Lottie provided compose support for Android. Let's see in which version Lottie started support compose. It started Lottie provided compose support for Android starting from 6. This is wrong. The latest version of 6 series you can include blah, 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 blah. This is wrong. We have 5. Let me check the Maven Central. That will tell you the actual truth. Lottie compose. Yeah, it started from 4. Okay, fine. I think it started from 4. Yeah, let's go from 400. Fine. Interesting. Let's try run this and let's prepare our, where is our data? Oh wait, bro, I think we have one error. Create function. I think I can provide the progress from here. Is that how it is? I don't know. We can try. Let's give it a try. Let's give it a manual run first. See if it's working properly or not with the same code. Or we can change the code also. That's fine. Yeah, it's launching. I think build is fine. I want to play the animation. Then once the animation is finished, I want to show that done text. The done text is not getting displayed. That's going to be a problem for us. What's happening with the done? Let's check the logs. What's happening? What is happening with my progress? Progress is there. And progress is there. And progress 1 is also there. Should I go for 1.0? Huh? Is that the issue? No, right? 1 and 1.0 should be fine. This is not JavaScript. I don't know if Lottie took the entire height and width to show this. That could be one of the reasons that's why. Wait, let's run this again. JS roasted. We are showing done. It's just that it's not visible. And why would that be the case? Where is our layout inspector? Inspector, where are you? We had a layout inspector in here, right? Where is that? Where is layout inspector? Yeah, where were you? Should we hide the Lottie? No. We can check the layout inspector and see where our text actually is at the moment. Time to use Reka search menu. Hey, the action search menu of this studio is better. It's good. Now let's look at our tree. We have our column, we have our text, and our text is actually, let's go 3D mode. Where is our text? Where? It's bottom. Why? Color specified 20 SP. We have even one value. Can we modify it here? Can we just do, like, I wished this could be an HTML, like, the Chrome inspect element. We can play with the element. I wish. Text color shouldn't be an issue. Color shouldn't be an issue. Well, at least I should see the text somewhere, right? You see, there's nothing in here. Okay, let's go the why is this? I think it's fine in our case because we are not actually relying, the element is there, we just need the element to be there. I think this is fine for us. But let's see if our benchmark is actually running or not. So in benchmark, what we actually do is we check if the element is present in the done keyword. Is the Lottie taking full space? Yeah. I think like, I don't know if it's taking the full space. Even if it's taking full space, the layout inspector should show that text somewhere behind that layer. I don't know what happened in there. Okay, our device failure. Let's try it again. Our device failure again. Arun, let's do one thing. Anyway, we have to run this 3, right? So let's add the medium test also, medium and large test also. Then we don't have to run this again for medium. You know what I'm saying? And now Arun, we need one more Lottie. I need some super heavy Lottie. Where do I find this? What's the size if I'm small, medium, large? Small is 284 and our medium is 618. I was searching for a 1 MB one. See if you can find a 1 MB Lottie file. At least tell me if there, and we'll do one thing. We can do one thing actually. We can decompile some APKs and see. We can grab the Lottie from the APKs. So let's go run statsc. GitHub search. That's actually a good idea. So, but I think GitHub will hit. We need advanced search. How do I search for? How do I do advanced search? How do I search this? Give me GitHub search query to find large JSON Lottie JSON files. uh path Lottie are like mostly Lottie files are JSON files, right? I don't know if anyone using .Lottie extension that much. What says Copilot in action? um, we can search for this. No, it didn't work. Wait, search syntax tips. Just JSON will return non-Lottie JSON files. Yeah, I was thinking of getting raw directory. I think this will be. Wait, let's search for Lottie and see what we see. Airbnb Lottie Android. Lottie. Wait, the Lottie Android will have some samples, right? They should have some samples. Assets. Android Wave, Lottie logo. They do have bar JSON. We accept inline. I think, but they are not heavy. They should have some kind of load testing also. They should have some. What is Android Wave? I think that will be. What's the size of this file? 20 KB. No. I think they don't have any. Let's check the size. Yeah. Full screen. 4K. I don't know. I don't think if they have any load test files. Sun Moon. This is not a reliable approach. I think they probably won't have full screen. And these are very minimal examples, like 4.5. Now the only way to find is, let's go the reverse. Let's find the apps that are using heavy JSON, heavy Lottie files, and see what's in the APK. Okay, let's do that. Which APK should we go for? Which app is a heavy user of Lottie files? Book My Show should, most probably they are optimized. Let's try our luck. Let's try and make my trip. Let's try one app and see if we have any interesting data in there. Try this. Okay, trying it. What's the footprint of this? Uh, what was the size of that thing? I think that's super small. 2 KB? Yeah, that's no worries, no worries. Oh, Make My Trip is a React Native app. But still, what do you have in this row? You don't have a row directory. Yes, you have. Yes. What's the largest JSON you have? It's an MP3. No. No, yaar, it's not there. I want to test one app. Let's see what Hotstar has. Row. Where is row? Yeah, there you go. Splash logo. We have like a 473 one. Still, we don't have anything higher than that. We need a really bad app. Not bad app. Netflix app. Oh, they won't have for sure. We'll try the luck with GeoCine. No such file exception. Why is that? Why is that? CD var folders scale bg gp stack c. Interesting. That's a bug. That's a bug on me. I think I have this issue. Crashing on DFI. Same for GeoCinema. I think I should pick this up, but not now. How do I find Amazon Prime? We'll try for 10 more minutes. If we can't find a large Lottie file, we will go with only small and medium. We can end with that. For small, I think we can use the 2 KB one. Medium, I think we can go for 300, and then large, maybe we can go for 800 or something like that. Like the largest we have at that time. But 10 more minutes. That's it. We will close this at Prime has Tiger team to look for app size reduction. Okay. But let me check also. I'm sure they won't have, but I'm just trying my luck. Where is your row? There is a 2.6 general lib. It shouldn't be a Lottie, but what is this general lib? It's a CPP shared. It's something native. I don't know what's the purpose of it, but that's not our target here. We'll do one thing. We would better off creating our own PSD. Yeah, it's not even PSD, I guess. Is that it's created in After Effects, right? What's the normal extension of an After Effects file? How do we find this? Asphalt. Let's try one last app. After this, I have one more idea. If that doesn't work, we will go to our plan B. Yeah, something like that, I think. I don't know. You use Raycast, right? What's your favorite plugin? No, bruh. We don't have. We do not have. We do not have. We have draw. No. Nope, nope, nope. By the way, did you get the perk improvement for 4x, 6x? Now 4 we didn't execute, right? 4 we hold on for the medium file. We need, I think we won't be able to get a Lottie of 6 or 5 MB like that right now, unless we have a image Lottie. We can convert a video or GIF to Lottie file, right, where it uses a base64 encoded string for the Lottie. But that, I don't think that's actually a good way to test Lottie performance. Sure, Twitch is buffering too much today. Is it on me? I don't know if that's me. And it's missed it. Okay, I'm going to close this. We'll go to lottiefiles.com. Okay, and we will use our old legacy, sorry, not legacy. We will use our old strategy. Okay, we'll go to our Lottie files and what kind of categories we have for products, resource pricing, customers, go to dashboard. Yeah, discover animation. We'll go to this and we will rely on our in here we'll say remove all my, yes, we'll reload. Okay, and speed test shows decent speed though. Yeah, how's my speed? It's also fine. Not sure. It should be Twitch because it's weekend and everybody must be streaming. Why we don't have any other JSON files in here? Huh? Why is that? Why? Are they dot lot? Oh my god, they are dot lottie files. And there is no way we will find. Yeah, there is no way we find something like that in here. Oh my god. Why my filter is not working? No, yeah, I don't. We have to fall back. Plan B. We reduce our this thing is we'll go for 10 kb, 300 kb, and then like 600 kb one. Okay. What to do? So our small becomes medium, and our medium becomes large, and we need a small one. I think I will take the one you shared. What was that? What was that? This one, right? What was this animation? Dot Lottie, I don't know if that for Android. I'm not sure if that's helpful or not. The while when the R8 compiles your app, it actually converts those Lottie files and decompress it, and the size remains the same. Source size is different, but the APK size I didn't see any difference in there. Did you see? Did you check using .lottie? That we can actually check. Stream idea. .lottie versus JSON. Footprint check. Stream idea. We'll do this later. Okay. And by the way, what is this JSON? What is this JSON? Assets 2 KB. Come on, bro, come on. Okay, this is interesting. How did you find this Lottie? Where did you find this Lottie file? Yeah, this is our small one. I think this is a good one because it takes so much time to render small JSON. And this is our, yeah, go for this small JSON. Assets, where is our directory? What did I do? I did something super stupid. Yeah, I didn't do. Yeah. So we have medium and we have large. Okay. Now add all resources. Okay. And what do we need now? We need to go to our benchmark, and then we need to create we need to create 3 more tests, and this will be our medium Lottie and this will be our large Lottie. We will change this to medium and we'll change this to large. We have all the resource and tests ready for our benchmark. Now I think we can trigger this, and let's see how it works. Before doing that, I think we can manually check if our lotties are working fine or not. I think it's a really good thing to do. Otherwise, we'll get fucked up in the middle of the benchmark and we'll have to spend the time again, which is what I don't want to do. Okay, here we go. Our small lottie file. Small lottie works good. Should we wait for it to finish? No, I guess. Let's go for medium. Let's go. Medium works fine. Now we will do our large lottie. What was our large lottie file? This park animation. I wish we could have some really big lottie files around. But bad luck. But in case if you find anything in future, like say you find a 2 MB lottie, just ping me on Twitter messages, DM me or something. We'll do it. Okay, we have 3 animations ready. We'll just trigger this. Okay, let's create a text file. So this is v4 lottie, and then this is v4. Okay, then we will have a v5, then we will have v6. For all three we'll have 3 separate trends. In total we will have 30 iterations each. This will take some time. Especially for the small lottie. 2 MB is like really bad, I guess. It's not meant to be that heavy. I don't think that can be used for benchmarking. Yeah, lottie shouldn't be 2 MB first of all, but to benchmark things, to load test things, I think we need something that heavy or much heavier than that. We don't load 1 ton of testing in car. Yeah, I have to agree with that. We don't load 1 ton of testing. Okay, we have a failure. What did you do? Oh my god, this is that failure. The tag done. How do we fix this? How do we? Couldn't find element. How do we fix this thing? Let's fix that first. We need our yeah. Let's go for medium. And then let's go to our activity. First screen progress is, let's simply run the done first. Don't even rely on the progress and see what happens. Okay, we do not have the title, sorry, text. Now, why is this like that is first question. So we'll say height, we'll say size is 100 dp. Okay, and see what it has to say. Oh my god, I think we have to do that, Arun. We have to use the same size. Let's do that. think it took the entire viewport. Yeah, I think let's go with 300. Is that okay? I'm going to go with 300 dp. Try to run the benchmark. One way I can think of is ask GPT to explain the contents of JSON, then repeat the content of the plot, the size of. That is actually really smart, I would say. Oh wait, the medium JSON we used, it's an image. Oh my god. No, only the initial part is an image, I guess. But I don't know. Oh my god. I think we need a new medium. We need a new medium Lottie, I guess. Medium Lotties are easy to get. We'll try your idea. I don't. We will try that. We will try copy paste things. I think it's a layer of array. It's an array of layers, and then we can copy paste the elements. Yeah, we can do that. But let's do this one. We need a medium one. I think this one has too many elements. This should be fine. What is this? Oh, is that a pro one? Okay, save to workspace. Yeah, save. Aaron, do you have any medium size Lottie 300 KB? What was our size? 300 KB, right? Yeah, 300 size or something. Why am I not going to my workspace? Yep. Yep, we have a 250, which is enough. And I hope it's not. Yeah, medium. We can remove this. We can paste this and call it medium. Yeah, I think, and this is good. There's some super weird thingy in there. I don't want to know what that is, but this is fine. We'll check the medium manually. Okay, medium works fine. Is that it? That Lottie didn't perform well. Did it work? Yeah, just one iteration. Then that's enough. That's enough for our case. Now large JSON, we will have something like we'll take the medium one. We'll take the medium one and we'll say super large. Okay. And your idea, Arun, I'm just going to try that out and see what happens. So the layer starts from here. Okay. And how many layers do we have? Each layer is around, how many lines we have in here? Yeah, we have some significant number of lines. Yeah, I think I'll do one thing. I'll take these layers. What happens after the layer? Nothing, right? It's just layers. Okay, and I'm just going to paste it down here, and where is my cursor now? Yeah, and let's make sure it plays on the online viewer first. Yeah. I don't know if it's going to play. This is going to be the world's most fucked up Lottie ever. Let's look at this size now. Projects. Projects. Where is our projects? Android benchmark. App source main. It is the moment of truth. The largest and the super large is now 5.4 MB. Congratulations on it. We met the size. Now we need to check if it works or not. To do that, I'll just use our app itself. I'll also enable the GPU. I will see how it looks. Okay. How do I let's open a normal Lottie file and see how the bars are looking like, and then we'll replace our medium one with the super large one and see. Oh my god, that's how the normal looks like. Super large, go for it. Oh my god, that's the bar. Oh my god. I think there are layers overlapping each other, and that's why we have that gigabars over there. This is crazy. I think it worked. I don't know. That was a really nice idea. This is interesting. Now we need to have one more. Yeah, we will have one more. Yeah, super large, and let's implement that also. Okay, r dot draw dot super large. Yeah. This is crazy, man. I think we'll have this super large in here. I feel like I'm doing something illegal. Why is that? Super Lottie large. So yeah, super large Lottie. Yeah, let's try this. Let's see what happens. Okay. So now first we need v4, then v5, then v6. Okay, build failed. That's a device issue. I guess that's the end of. Yeah, that's the UF. That's very irritating. Shit. Yes. Here we go. Wait, I think we did something super stupid again. Wait, our done is not within the condition now. Our done. Uh, oh yeah, this end of file exception is super irritating. It rarely happens, but when it happens, it will happen forever. Like, if it happens, it will happen every 3 minutes. If it doesn't happen, it won't happen like ever in a day. Can you share some unknown good ways to reduce APK size? So you want the less known way to, yeah, lesser known, yeah, I got it. Any experiments on that done been by you? Uh, what have we done? We used to optimize Lottie files a lot. And then other than that, um, check the release. I don't know if it's less, like it's definitely not lesser known, but check the release APK. Start from there and then go for the image files, PNG, SVG, WebP, those conversions. See which one gives you better footprint. Image, go for that. Like usually go for that. This is not lesser known. This is what I do. I'm just telling what I do. Images, then Lottie files, and then what else? What else we can do? Yeah, those are the main two ones. Can we have a session on that? Exactly. Yeah, we can have. We can actually do one thing. We can build the worst app possible. Like with thread.sleep on main thread, with heavy Lottie files, and then infinite recomposition and all that, and then we can fix, like trace it, have some perfecto tracing done, and then we can see how it will be showing up in the traces, and then we can see what should we do to fix it, and then retrace and see the difference in the trace. Like I think it will give it will help us understand where should we look for this specific, what a recomposition looks like, what a thread.sleep looks like, what a network delay looks like. So that I think we can start. That will help us understand better. Is there any other idea you have other than that? Is there any other better way to learn tracing performance stuff? This footprint, to reduce footprint, I think we have our data, large Lottie we have, by the way. Yeah. To reduce size, I think it's obvious, right? Like we go for the large files and optimize it. DB host unreachable. What is this? What is that? Why do we need the host? Why do we What about ANRs? ANRs, how do we go about addressing them? I haven't directly fixed ANRs. I usually go for the render performance and check which one is taking more. Like I usually go for the frames. That will also give you the ANRs, but I think there is an option in Play Store where they will give you how many ANRs are user facing and which area those are happening. I haven't done that. I don't know how to fix. I haven't fixed any ANRs directly. My main focus is on fixing frame rendering issues, like how to improve frame rendering. What happened with our benchmark here? What happened? Don't make me sad. Tag done. I think this is tricky. This is little tricky. Small Lottie will fail for sure because small Lottie got timed out. Okay, it got timed out, and why it got timed out is a really good question. It's because the timeout is 20 seconds for this one. For small Lottie we will have to override that because our small Lottie takes more than 20 seconds, I guess. What's the duration? Can we upload? Does it show the duration in here? Yeah, maybe we can explore that. ANR, I think, yeah, we can. Yes, we should. Arun, do you see any duration in over here? How do I see the duration, man? Animation information. Don't tell me you don't know the duration in here. Yeah. Frame rate, duration 5 seconds. Okay, fine. Now let's do one thing. Let's upload our small Lottie in here. Find the duration. Okay. How do I upload? How do I upload private animations? New upload animation. Let's go. Small. Wait. App source main retro small. Recent days I am curious to learn about internal soft process management in Android at kernel level and at app level. Can you suggest any good resource? Sadly, I don't know, bro. I never explored that area and I don't know which resource I should go for. Google is your buddy. Google should be your buddy in that. 60 seconds is our animation duration. So we have to override this. Okay. So timeout is going to be duration, and by default this is going to be 20 seconds, and I will use that in here. But for our small Lottie, we have to override this. Okay, and that will be 70 seconds. And other thing, we have only large and medium ready. Small and super large got failed. Super large got failed because some weird issue. Let's see why it failed. Let's do one thing. Let me disable the proxy. None. Dude, I can't read things with these graphs. Did I really disable the proxy or not? Yeah, I did. Yeah, I think now it's fine. But what is this exception? No route to host exception. What's unreachable? Okay, it's HTTP internal. Q. Why did you go for the? Doesn't matter. Let's check. So I'll update our to-do list. To-do. We have small Lottie, we have medium Lottie, we have. Now we are checking V4 versus V5, and then we'll have V5. Sorry. We will run V4 first, V5, then V6. Okay, now we are doing V5. And I have to push my oops. No, that's not what I want to do. Yeah. Then this will move it here. Or I don't know. Let me reduce the font size of that thing. 24 should do. Yeah, just more. Oh, I think then it will fit in here. Yes. Why this is not running? What did we do wrong? Should we just stop everything? Cancel. We'll also disable the GPU profile. I think that will. Okay. We'll try it again. Why is this not starting? Okay, it started. Let's go. We are going for large Lottie first. I think it's been 2 hours. I have to end this stream now and hit the bed. I will keep running this test, Arun, and I will post we'll discuss the result in the next stream. I will run v4 v5. Anyway, we have the code right now, right? So this is going to take some time, so I'll run v5 v4 v5 and v6, and tomorrow we will look into those results. What do you say? Cool. I think I'll end the stream, and thanks again for tuning in, man. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.